And hello and welcome back to an exciting video. Yes, it is me. I am still here. Have to show you the driftwood. Look at that. That is Malaysian golden vine. There is so much of it. How nice is that? So I just got a huge pallet of Malaysian golden vine. So if you are local, not only do we have all that golden vine there. Whoa, don't get seasick with me. We have, whoop, some golden vine on the floor. We also have all that golden vine there. So all there, and I have tons and tons of small little bits as well. And another thing that we did get today, which is super cool, and I haven't showed anyone yet, more of logs. Hollow logs. How nice are they? They're all imported. There are lots of different sizes. Look at those. Look at those. Look at those. More Malaysian golden vine. Tons of log. So if you like log, click the thumbs up so we know. Anyway, we are going to unbox two awesome boxes of fish in this video. So let's jump to the fish. And welcome back. We have another unboxing video. Hurrah. I know, it's every day, every week we have unboxing videos, but two boxes this time. So first bag, there's the bag. There's the box down there somewhere. We have, what are they? They are platies, and they are nice platies. They are really meaty platies. So lovely platies. It looks like a few really cool colors of them, and another bag of platies there. So Mickey Mouse, what are they? They are golden Mickey Mouse platies, those ones, and those ones look like really cool speckled platies. So we have two bags of platies so far. There is another bag here. I have bags everywhere at the moment. At least I'm calling them bags and not boxes. Squishy boxes. We have honey dwarf gouramis. They are a really nice peaceful fish as well. We do sell a lot of these because they are super cool. Look at them. So they don't get very big, like 5-6 centimeters. I think there's a couple of bags of them as well. Maybe about 30 or so currently in stock. Really nice peaceful fish. Really colorful. So as you can see on the screen, super lovely peaceful community fish. We have a big bag of neon tetras. So I think there's a couple of bags of neons in here. Yep, I know. Every unboxing has neon tetras. Yay! So we have more neon tetras in stock. One thing we haven't had this year is all the dwarf gouramis. So those guys look like just your normal dwarf gourami. There's such a thing as normal. These are it. Really striking stripes on them. So they have blue stripes with the orangey red body. There's about 4 or 5 different types of them. So we have these ones here, which are not gouramis. We're not cutting either. They are tiger Oscars. See, I haven't even looked in these boxes, so I'm not entirely sure what we got, but we got some really cool little tiger Oscars. I'm sure there's more Oscars in there as well. Wait, those are gouramis. So those are your powder blue dwarf gouramis. Again, really nice fish. So peaceful. They get a little bit bigger than the honey dwarf gouramis. So these guys will max out that 6 centimeter sort of size. Super peaceful again. So great with community fish, tetras, raspora, corydoras. They are a Southeast Asian fish, but they do fine with South American fish as well. And there is another lot there. So those are your red flame dwarf gouramis. So they are just line bred versions of the stripy one. So the blue one is like the solid blue stripe, and this one is the solid red stripe. So they really get the like nice blue dorsal fin to them as well. So these are all males. We do have some females hopefully in one of these boxes. We will cut to box number 2. Don't do that. And it's in between box time. How lovely is that? That is art from Charlie. That is a very lovely bit of fish. So a lovely note. Thank you, Charlie. She did say my channel was growing. Yay! I think we've got like 3,000 people now. Oh, you poor people. Yes. Yes. And she would also like a pet bearded dragon if I have any for sale. Unfortunately, I don't keep bearded dragons anymore. A lace monitor, we can give you like a really big lace monitor. I'm sure your parents would love that. She would like a female bearded dragon if possible, and she'd also like an enclosure and all the accessories to go with it. Wouldn't we all? Look, when you have your own place, you can have a lace monitor. There you go. And you can copy this part of the video. You can have a 6-foot very angry lizard when you're old enough to have one. That is a lovely betta fish. Thank you very much. That's going to be our cover photo, I think. It probably is. To box number 2. It's just like I never left. I don't suggest you watch this on your big screen TV. Look, I'm huge on your wall. Yeah, that is the first time I've said that. We have some more platies. So these are your red wagtail platies. Not too sure why they call them wagtail. Why don't they just call them blacktail? But apparently that's a wag and that's on their tail. So we have some red wagtail platies. That one there, more gouramis. So we have, I think, I'm not too sure what these are called. I think they're peacock dwarf gouramis. It's just the color of them. Really cool color. Again, they're sort of in between the stripy ones, the blue ones, and the red ones. They're sort of blue with different dotty stripes. That makes sense. So we have more of those. What are they? They are not gouramis. They look like German blue rams. So some really big adult German blue rams. They are back in stock as well. Nice break from the gouramis. Saying that, we have gouramis. Oh, they're nice though. They are female blue dwarf gouramis. I haven't bred gouramis since I was a kid, which is like about 400 years ago. So if you would like to see a gourami breeding video, comment down below. I'm not convinced if I still want to breed them. They are kind of fun. They build like a nest of bubbles. That's a nest of bubbles. Yeah, they're pretty though. So we have some lovely female dwarf gouramis. So the good thing with the blue females is they're actually blue. Funny that, seeing they call them blue dwarf gouramis. But all the dwarf gourami females of the stripy ones and the red ones are silvery brown. We see enough silvery brown fish that we probably don't want to see too many more, but these guys are a lovely blue color. Well, these guys are girls. Yes, they are. Moving along, we have a giant bag of cherry shrimp. So lots of red cherry shrimps back in stock. We do breed quite a lot ourselves, but we can't keep up because they are super cool little guys. So red neocaridina shrimp back in stock. I think there's a couple of hundred of them available now. Another bag, we have Oscars. So we have some albino tiger Oscars. So these are not lemon Oscars, even though they're kind of a lemony color. Who knows, you might luck out and they may stay that color. They're half the price of the lemon Oscars anyway. Yeah, they look pretty decent. So decent size, Oscar-y, not really lemon flavored. Don't eat Oscars. You can eat Oscars if you're that way inclined, but don't eat Oscars. No, don't do that. Moving along, we have clown loaches. Yay! Oh, and they're big and they're meaty. So we have some 6 centimeter clown loaches in here. Whole heap of them. They're actually a decent size. Yeah, so really healthy looking cool clown loaches. They are a fish I want to breed. I do know how to breed them. I just don't have any adults. Moving along though, we have some bigger ones here. So these are the next size up. So maybe about, what's that? 7, 8 centimeter clown loaches. So a whole lot of those. You'd probably be able to start to tell males and females at that size. It usually takes 3 or 4 years for them to actually really noticeably be told. Noticeably, yeah, cut. And I'm back. It takes a few years to be able to sex them. So many unboxing videos, but they are very, very cool fish. So they will max out like 30 centimeters. Yeah, see, that's, depending on how big your TV is, that could be 30 centimeters. Or maybe you're on your phone and that's 30 centimeters. Yeah, so they get about 30 centimeters. Very, very cool fish. They are schooling. Ideally, you want to keep them in a pH below 7, so try not to keep them with Malawi cichlids like everyone seems to want to. They do like to get conditioned at 7.5, but then they go down to about 6.5. So yeah, they're one of those weird fish that migrates and the pH changes. That's why they can cope with higher pHs, but you really don't want them in Rift Lake water long term because they kind of don't like that. And the whole idea of keeping fish is to keep them happy. So we have some very cool clown loaches. And I think that is all the fish this time. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up, wherever the thumbs up thing is. If you're on a TV, you have to push a remote and do all that. Subscribe if you want to subscribe, that would be wonderful. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching again.